Let's explore Create React App. This is an introduction to the essential tool that simplifies React project setup for developers. Create React App is a command line tool. It helps developers to quickly set up a new React project with a modern build setup and configuration. This means you don't have to manually configure things like Webpack or Babel to get started with React. Here are some key features of Create React App. First, it offers zero configuration, meaning you don't need to manually configure Webpack, Babel, or ESLint. Second, it provides a modern build setup. This includes features like hot reloading, code splitting, and optimized builds, all set up automatically. To get started with Create React App, you need to install it globally on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt and type npm install -g create -react-app. This command installs Create React App, so you can use it to create new React projects. Now that you have Create React App installed, you can create a new React project. In your terminal, navigate to the directory where you want to create your project, and then type npx create -react-app, followed by the name you want to give your project. For example, npx create -react-app my-app. After the project is created, navigate into the project directory by typing cd my-app. Finally, start the development server by typing npm start. Create React App sets up a well-organized folder structure for your project. Here's a look at the generated structure. You have a my-app folder, inside of which there is a public folder, which typically contains static assets like index.html. There is also a src folder, which contains your React components like app.js, index.js, and app.css. Also present are package.json, which manages your project dependencies and scripts, and readme.md, which is a markdown file for project documentation. Create React App comes with some useful scripts that make development easier. The npm start script starts the development server with hot reloading, so your changes are reflected in the browser automatically. The npm run build script creates an optimized production build of your app, ready for deployment. There are several benefits to using Create React App. First, it allows for quick setup so you can get a React project running in minutes, rather than spending time on configuration. Second, it allows you to focus on code, as you don't have to waste time on configuration details, and instead can concentrate on building your application. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.